Friends, it should come as no surprise to you by now that HubSpot is really focused on resolving and implementing your ideas from the Ideas Forum, but I want to shine a light on the workflows team is doing because this is incredible. Check it out. So here is an idea with 246 upvotes. It would be great to be able to export the data you see in the history tab of workflows. There's another one with 65 upvotes. Would love to be able to see a list of deals that are enrolled and export that. So now when you come into a workflow, if you're looking at the action logs, if you come to the export button, you can export to them to a segment like you always have, but you can export enrollments as a CSV. You can export action logs to a CSV. So that's great. Here's an idea with 183 upvotes. Currently, HubSpot has the capability to show all the workflows a property is referenced in. I would love to have this feature extend to all the workflows a user is referenced in as well. Well, they did one better than that. Look at that. I'm looking at a user here. This is me. I can come down to the workflow configuration. I can see there are 11 workflows that I am referenced in. And if I click on this, it takes me to the workflows page. I can see the ones where I'm in enrollment criteria. I can see the ones where I am in action. And you can replace me. If you need to transfer this to someone else, you can choose a different user. It will find and replace across all these enrollments and actions. Incredible. This one has 126 upvotes. Good old Carson would like to have more nuanced permissions. This one's been out for a little while, but look, if I'm editing the permissions for this user here, and I want to control how they interact with workflows, I come to automation, I can turn workflows on, and I can individually control. Can they view? Can they edit? Can they publish? Can they enroll? Can they delete? That's very granular, much better than it used to be. This one with 125 upvotes. We need the option to build a delay in workflows that counts business days, not just days. Made a video on this a little while ago, but if you come into a workflow, no matter how complicated it is, look at your delay here. You can check a box to make it business days only, Monday through Friday. How about this one with 21 upvotes? We really like the new folder view, but it's a hassle that it's not always the default view. Well now, if you come over to the folders tab right here, and you select the folder you're interested in, maybe this subfolder right here, you can set this as your default folder view, and you can use advanced filters within this folder. Incredible. And finally, with 262 upvotes, hi there HubSpotters, multi-check properties are handy, but we would like to be able to remove a specific value. I also showed you this one recently, but it warrants showing again. We choose a multi-select property here, and we can now not only replace or append or clear values, but we can remove specific values. If you want to get rid of just option 2, you can do that. So all told, that is 1,028 ideas implemented. Anyway, thanks to the workflows team for all your hard work. Thanks to all of you for giving us these ideas. Keep them coming. We are committed to implementing as many as we can to make HubSpot work for you the way you want it to. Let me know what you think of all these, and let me know if you have any questions.